What's up guys, Chuck Palmer here. If you are a do-it-yourselfer like I am, that's always trying to fix things around the house or car, then this cool electric precision screwdriver might come in handy for you. This is ideal for tasks on laptops, phones, watches, drones, etc. This is ideal for small projects. Inside the box, you will find this nicely designed aluminum alloy steel storage box, as well as one power cable, flat tweezer, pry ball, and a user manual. Press this button to open the box, and you will find the electric screwdriver with 39 screw bits and 9 precision drill bits in an easy access pop-up magnetic case. Each bit is held in place by magnet, and each bit has a label above it, as you can see here. You can easily remove a bit and easily secure it back in place due to the magnetic feature. Charge this up by connecting the power cable. When charging, the indicator light should be flashing according to the remaining battery life. When fully charged, all 4 indicator lights will stay on. When there is a failure due to poor charge and contact inside the case, all 4 indicator lights will flash like this. Adjust the electrical screwdriver connectors in the box and this should be able to start charging again. This has a 350 mAh lithium battery inside, which is designed with a Type-C cable and a 5-volt DC charger. Full charging time is between 2 to 3 hours. This has 3 action buttons. The function button here, forward and backward buttons on the side here where the LED display is. If you press the forward or backward button 3 times continuously, this will enter continuous rotation mode, which is useful when using the drill bits to drill holes. This will need to be drill mode to happen though. Press any button afterwards and the rotation will stop. Short press of the function button will turn on and off the light feature, which allows light to be turned on when the forward or backward button is pressed. This feature can be turned on and off. This light will surely improve visibility while working. To select a torque gear, long press the function button which shows the gear icons on the screen. Short press the function button to select a gear. Selected gears will be circled and flash slowly like this. Long press the function button again to exit. This has adjustable torque between 0.1 and 0.3 Newton meter and up to 3 Newton meter when using manually. This is designed to efficiently handle over 400 screws per charge. Let's install a bit. The chuck that comes installed is for the use of drill bits. To use screw bits, the chuck will need to be removed. Unscrew this at the top, then remove the chuck. Now a bit can be installed, which will be secured in place by the magnetic feature. Now this is ready to be used. To use a drill bit, reinstall the chuck. Insert a bit and lock in place by tightening this cap. Now this is ready to use the drill bits. Let's put this electric screwdriver to the test. I will replace the battery in this multimeter. Notice that there are short and long extension bits available in this kit. Removing the screw is easy. That one is out. That one is out also. I can also work in the dark. That screw is out. Now I can use the pry tool to open this and the tweezer to safely remove the electrical connector. The battery is out. Now I can install a new battery and connect the electrical connector. Look at this screwdriver kit, but this won't be able to do this job because there is no extended bits available. This is also not magnetic, so it won't be able to hold any screw for easy installation. See, this is not long enough. No, this electric screwdriver is magnetic and long enough. I can easily tighten this. Using this makes the job faster and easier. Let's try out the drill bit. Install the truck and insert a drill bit of your choice. Let's test this on this hardwood art. You can see that it is drilling nicely. This can come in handy for many small projects. I can now remove the drill bit and store this away. Links for this product will be in the description below, as well as a discount code if you wish to purchase one. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. But before you go, like and subscribe my video. See you on the next one, guys.